So today we're checking out some more cases from SupCase, and this time these are for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Major shout out to my man Brock Diesel, and also gigantic shout out to SupCase for sending me these for my unbiased review and my unbiased take. Just so you know, SupCase does have a ton of cases on their website for the Galaxy Note 10 and other phones, so just check them out on supcase.com. You should be able to find what you're looking for. Oh, by the way, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. It's a huge boost to the channel, of course, and truly appreciate you stopping by and supporting the channel. So I have two colors here. The first one is this navy color that I really like, and as you can see, it's a very straightforward case, very simple, and it feels very solid. If you're going for more of a very clean and classic look, then this one would be the one to grab. I also have this one in purple, which also looks pretty dope. They both work in the same fashion as the typical UB case for the iPhone 11, so they do offer a transparent look from the back here. One thing to know, however, is that this one does not offer the skeleton frame, as we have come to see with many SupCases. So some of them do offer that and some of them don't. Also, many other models do come with a screen protector integrated, but this one does not, because they're going more for a straight classic look. So it's still, of course, a very capable case for protection, because it has these bumper guards here in case you drop your phone on the corner here. That way you're still protected. The buttons are perfectly aligned here, and they have some ridges on them for proper grip. The same clean cutouts we're familiar with from SupCase, which can be found at the bottom here. So you have for your USB Type-C, your speaker, your mic, and so forth. There may not be a rise around the camera here. However, it's still fairly isolated, meaning if you were to drop the phone with your case attached to it, it shouldn't hit the camera. Both cases are anti-scratch, and as I mentioned earlier, the bumpers actually make them both shock absorbent. Now, when you typically go for a case like this, you want to make sure that it is wireless charging capable. And as you can see with this one, it is wireless charging capable. Lastly, you have these two punch holes here made for you to be able to attach a wrist strap in case you want to carry your phone around that way. Overall, it's just a very clean case with a moderate amount of protection. It's very grippy. You won't easily just drop it. So pretty much it's a very straight to the point, classic type of case. So overall, these cases are very well built. Even though they don't have the skeleton frame, that's really not what they were going for. They were going more for that very classic and simple and elegant look. So you still get a good amount of protection with these cases. I'm going to put down in the description affiliate links that can take you directly to Amazon if you want to purchase it from there, or you could go check them out on the website, supcase.com, and see what they have on there. As I mentioned, they have a variety of cases there. You can check them out there. Hoping you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, of course, subscribe, comment. I'm going to catch you in the comment section, and I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Until then,